As the temperature slowly climbing up outside, so I thought to share this yogurt-based fish curry as this recipe will be the perfect to start this summer season. It tastes mildly tangy and the spices are subtle, which make this dish so good for hot summer days. Though I have shared here a great trick that will avoid yogurt from curdling when added while cooking curries. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's make this healthy, yummy and delicious fish with yogurt in this summer season. And the ingredients are yogurt, salt, sugar, red chili whole, one green chili, few garlic pod, and our lovely fishes. Over here I am using Katla fish. Now take the fish, wash the fish steak properly, then add half teaspoon of salt and rub it properly. Then rest for 10 minutes before further cooking. Next, in a pan, add 3 tablespoons of refined oil, and once the oil heat up, then slowly drop in the fish steak and fry it. And once the fish is frying, on the other side, we will make a paste for the gravy. Take this mortar and pestle, add 8 to 10 garlic pod and 1 green chili. Make a costly paste, no need to make fine paste. Nothing to worry about if you don't have this. Take simple mixer grinder and make a paste. Once you are done, keep aside and let's check our fish which is frying on the other side. Now you can see our fish is done from one side. Let us flip the other side and fry in the same manner. Though in this recipe you have to fry the fish little hard so that it looks perfect when you are cooking in the gravy of the yogurt. Finally, our fish is done. Remove it from the pan and into that same oil we will cook further. After removing the fishes from the pan, then keep the flame in medium. Drop in 3 to 4 red chili whole and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste which you have done at the beginning of the recipe. Quickly stir it well so a nice fragrance come out from this garlic. Then switch off the flame before adding a yogurt paste. For this, let us make the yogurt paste. In a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then add half teaspoon of sugar, salt as per your taste. Now mix it very well so that it turns to a smooth paste. Always use yogurt right at the end when all the spices are cooked through, because once you add yogurt, you don't want to cook for longer. Make sure the heat is medium-low. When you add yogurt, the high heat can curdle it easily. Now slowly add the yogurt paste. Then quickly stir it well. Pour half cup of water in that yogurt bowl so that nothing go waste. After adding the water, mix it around, layer the fried fish and let it simmer in low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overheat or overcook or else the yogurt will curdle up. Next, you will see everything is well done. Now, remove the fishes from the pan and serve in a serving bowl. Though garnish it with some chopped cilantro and serve this yummy yogurt fish which is very healthy and tasty warm with steamed rice, and enjoy the summer with this recipe. And if you think this recipe is worth it, don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again. Bye bye.